To mirror a video on your iPhone, all you do is tap this little icon right here and that mirrors the video. But you have to be careful because the text will be backwards and then it won't be very readable. To get to this place where you can just tap this button to mirror it, let's back out of here and I'll show you where it is. It's in your regular old Photos app. You can find it on your home screen, or you can search for it down here using the Spotlight search. Just start typing in Photos, it'll pop up. And then open any video. In this case, I've got this landscape video, which is a screen recording. And tap into the adjustments. Tap on crop in the bottom right down here, and then tap this button here. And that flips the video or mirrors it. And you press done. And now your video is mirrored. If you want to undo the mirroring, you can go through those steps again, or you can just tap on these three dots up here and then tap on revert to original, then it's back to the original. And this is for a screen recording. This works just as well for more action-based videos like this one right here. You can go through the same thing. Let's go to adjustments, go to crop, tap this icon, and it reflects it. And doing it with these action-based videos makes a little more sense visually because there's no writing in the background. That's now backwards. I guess there is up there, but it's hard to see. And once you've done this, again, just press done and the video will be mirrored. And if you make a lot of videos and take a lot of photos, you're probably short on space on your iPhone all the time. So check out this video here, which helps you find more space. Some viewers of that video reported getting over 10 gigabytes of space back. That's a lot. So check out that video. If you like the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this next one.